In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your WiX website look great on all screen sizes. WiX Classic Editor. Responsive design. Start by signing in to your WiX account and heading to My Sites. Choose the site you want to work on with Select an Edit Site. Then click Edit Site to open the Classic Editor. We'll be focusing on making your existing design look polished on phones without breaking your desktop layout. In the editor, switch to the mobile view using the mobile icon at the top. This is a dedicated workspace for small screens, so changes here won't affect your desktop version. If you see desktop items missing on mobile, use Add to Mobile Design or Show on Mobile to bring those elements in. This is common for decorative shapes or large sections that were hidden by default. Open the Elements panel and take a quick inventory of what you're using: text, images, buttons, menus, and strips. Then move to Site Pages in the mobile view and review each page one by one. On mobile, your goal is clear hierarchy: page title, short intro text, a strong image or strip, and one clear call to action. Adjust spacing by dragging section handles so content breathes and nothing feels crowded or cut off. Next, check media. Replace oversized images if they're slowing things down, and make sure important parts of your images remain visible within mobile crop areas. Consistent image ratios help keep the page from jumping as users scroll. Open the Quick Action bar to add helpful mobile tools like call, email, or chat shortcuts. Keep it minimal. 2 or 3 actions are plenty and can boost conversions on phones. Now refine the layout. Tap elements to reposition them within the mobile grid, align text and buttons centrally for readability, and ensure buttons are large enough to tap comfortably. If something is purely decorative or redundant, hide it on mobile to reduce clutter. For strips and galleries, check how they stack vertically and adjust heights so nothing overlaps. For menus, confirm the mobile menu is easy to find and legible. If you need to introduce a mobile-only item, use Add Elements and place it where it adds clarity, like a small divider, a back-to-top button, or a concise CTA near the top of the page. When everything looks tight and consistent across pages, click Publish to push your mobile adjustments live. Finally, click View Site and scan it on a narrow browser window. For the best reality check, open it on your phone and scroll through each page. That's it. Your WiX site should now look great on every screen size.